Hi, this is Mr. Capert. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the motor for your solar car. So you want to make a new part. Like always, you're going to start with the 2D sketch. Choose a plane. And I've listed all the dimensions in a drawing as well. So if you don't want to watch the video and you just want the dimensions, you can do it that way. So I'm going to start with the back, the large part of the motor. 0.93 is what I used. I'm going to finish that and extrude this. So it's going to be a lot of drawing circles and extruding them. This is extruded by 0.94. Okay, and now we're going to do yet another circle on the front here. And that diameter is 0.69. I want to extrude that. Let's extrude that 0.13. Yet another circle. This one 0.25. Extrude that. And extrude that by 0.06. Now you're going to draw the shaft that comes out and spins. That's 0.09. Finish that. Extrude it. And that is 0.25. And then lastly, what I want you guys to do is add those wire connectors on the back. I do not have those dimensions on me. You really could just make this close. Look at the motor, and I'm not looking for perfection. Just fake it. If you're close, nobody will ever know that it's off at all. So you might want to look at the motor and make sure. I don't have one in front of me right now, so that's why I'm kind of going off memory. 1/4 inch, look at, ooh, that's way too big. More like 1/8. And then what I would do is make this steel. Not stainless though. Let's see what this looks like. Oof, no, maybe not. That doesn't look right at all. You can play around with this and see which one looks best. Maybe like that. It's up to you. Or you could just color it in too and make it gray. That's up to you. You don't need to put a team number on here at all. But make sure when you save things that you're saving it into the H drive and a folder that you created specifically for the solar car. And you should still put your number on this one, even though we're not 3D printing this at all. You still want to do the team number 1 and then call this motor. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions.